In this video, we are going to solve the questions from the chapter Congruence of Triangles, and the introduction video on this chapter I have already made. Link will be given in the description box, so do check it out. So let's start the question. Here the figure is given ADBC. In this, AD is equals to CD and AB is equals to CB. It is given. So you can see in this figure AD is equals to CD and AB is equals to CB. It is given, and we have to prove the three pairs of equal parts in the triangle ABD and CBD. So let's start. The first pair is AD is equals to CD. It is already given in the question itself, so we will write the reason given. Then the second pair also given, AB is equals to CB. This is also given in the question itself, so we can write the reason given. Always write the reason why it is equal. Now we have to find the third pair of equal part, right? So you can see here in the triangle ABD and in the triangle CBD, here this is a triangle ABD. Here in this triangle ABD, DB is common, and in the triangle CBD, again this DB is common. You can see, right? So both the triangle, this is a common side. So we can write here BD is equals to BD. BD is equals to BD. When you are writing, just write in the order. See, in this triangle AB is equals to CB. Just see, check the order. Okay. Now here AD is equals to CD. So BD is equals to BD. And what is the reason? This is a common side. So when you are talking about, when you are writing for the congruency, it is very important to write in the order. So this is the common side. So we have stated the three pairs of equal part. Let us come to the second part. In this, we have to prove that these two triangles are congruent. If these are congruent, we have to give the reason. So you can see here these two triangles by SSS. We have done there are four criteria for the congruency. So by side criteria, we can say triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CBD. Right, you can see this AD is equals to CD, AB is CB and BD is common. So we can say these three parts are equal. So by SSS criteria, the triangle ABD is congruent to CBD. Now let me show you here. Let us draw the triangle separately. It will give you more clarity. This is a triangle ABD and here it is CBD. Right, so you can see AD is equals to CD, AB is equals to CB and BD is common. So these three sides are equal. So by SSS criteria, we can say these two triangles are congruent. So let us write from 1, because we have already proved three equal sides in the first part. Let us come to the third part. Here we have to prove BD bisects the angle ABC. Now you can see in this figure ABC, this is angle B, right? And here BD is a line which is a common line in both the triangle. And you can see here in the triangle ABD, this is angle B, and in another triangle CBD, this is angle B. Both are equal, because if the two triangles are congruent, then there are 6 elements. The three sides we have already proved, 3 angles are also equal. So we can say BD bisects the angle ABC, right? So the angle B, we can write it as by CPCT, because corresponding parts of congruent triangle, angles also will be equal. Now, so we can see the angles are equal. Now let us come to the next question. Here we have given a figure again where AB is equals to AC and D is given the midpoint of BC. What is the meaning of midpoint? Midpoint means D divides the side BC into two equal parts, that is BD is equals to CD. So let us come to the first part. We have to give the three pairs similar to the question first. AB is equals to AC. It is given. We will write the reason given. And here D is the midpoint of BC, right? So we can write BD is equals to CD. Here this is a triangle ADB and there is another triangle ADC, right? So when you are writing, just look at the order. So we have written AB is equals to AC. Now we are writing AD is equals to AD, which is common, right? AD is equals to AD, which is common, and we have already written BD is equals to CD, because D is a midpoint. So we can write the third side also, BD is equals to CD, because D is a midpoint. But make sure about the order how you are writing. So you can give the reason as D is a midpoint of BC, so BD will be equals to CD. So now let us come to the second part, where we have to prove ADB is congruent to ADC, and we have to give a reason why it is congruent. You can see here we have proved the three equal sides in both the triangles, right? So by SSS congruency, three sides of one triangle are equal to the corresponding three sides of the other triangle. So we can write by SSS ADB is congruent to ADC, right? And what is the reason? Reason by SSS congruency. Whenever you are writing the congruency, always state the which criteria they are congruent. So this is by SSS criteria, and make sure you are writing the sides in the correct order, right? So now come to the question third part, angle B is equals to angle C. You can see here AB is equals to AC. So this is a isosceles triangle, and in the isosceles triangle opposite base angles are equal, but we are not going to use that property because here we have to prove. So never write this reason angle B is equal to angle C, because this is an isosceles triangle, because many of the students write this reason. We have a 6 elements in the triangle, 3 sides we have already proved, and 3 angles are equal by CPCT, right? So this is the reason angle B will be equals to angle C. Okay, so we can write angle B equals to angle C by CPCT, because these two triangles ADB and ADC are congruent. So by CPCT we will write angle B equals to angle C. So state the reason, correct reason. Okay, so now this is a correct reason by CPCT. So that's it for today's video. Do share, like and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching.